Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about Canadian natural resources and the stock which you can see on your screen is listed in Toronto and it is in CFD, not in USD. So you better look at this. So now what you can see in the long term trend is the stock has indeed made a big move since 1988 till 2008, where the stock has given you a tremendous rise of 530,000%. So this is an exponential rise which the stock has given, and now it's been consolidating since then. So understand this. Now those who have purchased this stock in let's say in 1988, looking at their perspective, they don't sound, or they don't feel fizzy about the current situation or the consolidation which the stock has shown, not from 2008 but you can consider from 2008 itself, 2006 itself. So the stock has been consolidating last 14 odd years. But if you have purchased this stock anywhere after 2006, then you will probably not happy because the stock has not given you a single penny of return right till now. Okay, or you are just sitting on a partial or couple of bucks here and there, or probably at your break even. So that's what you can get till now, or probably most of the people are in losses. So it's depend upon the person and its position where he or she has purchased. Okay, now let's understand and divide the trend into two parts. The first trend we have seen from 1988 to 2006 2008, that is that is the previous thing. Now we are going to discuss about the current trend or the consolidation of last 12 to 14 odd years. Understand this: if a stock goes into a consolidation for such a long period, then it does makes a boundary for itself. And if you want to trade this kind of stocks, you have your boundary on the upside as well as on the downside. So understand, it will give you a natural support and resistance, but at the same time, if you cannot go beyond the range, so here your range are fixed and you have your known support and resistance on the higher as well as on the lower side. So you need to respect it, and this will definitely going to be your support and resistance. And this is on the negative side. Unless the stock made a breakout or breakdown, you cannot think that it will go up or down. Okay, so right now what you can expect is probably your, if you are very optimistic, then your optimism must get restricted till or toward the higher end of the range, which is 56.44, and your support is at 17.04. so this is your range, and you have to stick in between the range, because this type of consolidation does tell you that there are lots of good things or bad things or average neutral things, whatever has happened in those past 10 or 14 odd years does not able to make this stock move either on the higher side or on the lower side. So unless the stock itself breaks it on the higher side or the lower side, we should not consider that it will go up or down. We don't think like that in this kind of scenarios. Okay, so what we can think is, the currently the stock is trading inside a consolidating range where our immediate support will come at around 21 point. So our immediate support will come at 21.19, then we have 17.04 on the downside. On the upside, our first target or resistance will come at around 25.75, then we have 36.93, and then we have 49.5 on the higher end of the range. So this 56.44 does happened only once in 2008, and afterwards the stock didn't manage to go up, so it has made 1, 2, 3 or probably 4 attempts, but all of them a failure. Now, unless the stock falls below $17, which will again push the price towards its previous low of 9.5, but this only happens if the stock falls or closes below 17.04. But if it doesn't, then this is your low, and probably it could move on the higher end of the range where you can expect 40.5, and in exceptional case 56.4. And unless the stock breaks out all and also sustain above 56 or 57, there will be or there will not be a start of a new trend. Okay, so if you are thinking that the stock will go up and give or does have a very bright future, and if you want to invest, then either you should trade inside the range, or if you are very bullish, then wait for this stock to sustain above 57, then take your decision accordingly. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.